A yummy strawberry cheesecake mousse in white chocolate cup. A perfect recipe for all the loved ones. Let's melt some white chocolate for the chocolate cups. Here I'm using a silicone muffin mold to make the chocolate cups. You can also use normal paper cups. Add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of melted chocolate into this mold and slowly rotate it. Once it gets nicely coated with the chocolate, keep the mold in the freezer for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, take the mold from the freezer and give a second coating. Keep it back in the refrigerator and let's prepare the mousse. Into a bowl, add some whipping cream and whip it till it becomes a soft peak. Into that, add in some melted white chocolate, some cream cheese and blend it well. Now the next ingredient we're gonna add is some strawberry syrup. So let's make the syrup. Till then, keep this refrigerated. Into a pan, add some strawberries and some sugar and heat it up. Slowly the sugar will get melted and you can cook the strawberries in that. And slowly mash it using a fork and don't cook it further or else it will become a jam-like consistency. Now here I am straining the mixture, but that is just optional. Our strawberry syrup is ready. You can use this as a topping for ice creams and cakes, and you can store this in refrigerator. Now add the cooled strawberry syrup into this cream mix and blend it. Our strawberry cheesecake mousse is ready. Here I am adding some syrup into a piping bag. Also add in the cream cheese mousse and alternate it with the syrup. And our chocolate cups are also ready. Slowly remove it from the mold. Now let's pipe the mousse into these cups. Add some strawberry syrup on top. You can also add a cooked strawberry piece on it. Garnish it with some white chocolate shavings and our 1 chocolate cup with mousse is ready. Let's make the rest in the same way. So definitely try out the simple and easy yummy dessert cups and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Greypot and watch more amazing videos from our channel. Thank you.